Hi guys, but Zia just got sick because from the airplane, and we just put her in the bed because we just arrived in hometown. So guys, we just arrived in a hometown and she got sick because of the airplane, and our parents are not home yet. They have work. Zia, are you still okay? Are you okay, Zia? No. No, I feel sick. Oh, okay, but are you still okay? Are you fine? Or something else? Yes, I'm fine too. Oh, okay, we can just go something else. I think we should rush her in the hospital. I had no idea. Zia just almost got a coma, so we rushed him to the living room. And this is what happened. Zia, are you still okay? We just close the blinds, and your sisters will be there.
Yes,
Let's
I know.
go to the side and stand because we have no space, right? Yeah. This is not the idea we had. Oh my god. Our parents are still at the work though. My god. Your parents? Aw. Okay, she got coma for 2 days or 3 days, but you have to be really hurry. Guys,
What?
We're so 5 days. Part 2 tomorrow and update. Bye.